Welcome to Chapter 3. Today we will learn about the topic on gamification and how to use Moodle badges to gamify your course. What is gamification? It is defined as the application of game design elements and game principles in non-game contexts. Recall the last game that you had played. It was fun. You had goals, you had point system, you had rules. And there are indeed classic game elements such as points, badges, and leaderboards. Leaderboards showing who is leading in the game. Now, what are the benefits of gamification? Quite intuitively, it makes learning fun and interactive. It makes it more engaging for the tutor as well as the student. Second, it creates an addiction to learning, and students may be more motivated to learn more. It gives learners the opportunity to see real-world applications, such as serious games which are reflective of real-world scenarios. It offers real-time feedback. When they do something not accurate during the game, there is a loss of points or maybe a setback. And gamification therefore enhances the learning experiences by bringing enjoyment to the classroom. Why badges as a game element? Badges validate skills and accomplishments of the learner. It is part of the UNM Moodle system and it awards automatically. It allows tutors to track the progress of your learners. It allows learners to assess their own progress as well. There is a system called Open Badges and it's the world's leading format for digital badges. Open badges are used as micro-accreditation and are verifiable and shareable. An example of a certified open badges platform is Badger and Moodle. Badges are downloaded and can be added online to your CV as well as your LinkedIn profile. What are the 6 steps needed to create badges on Moodle? First, we need to design the badge. Then, we enable course badges in our preferences on Moodle. Then, we enable the activity completion in the course. Subsequently, add activity which you want to award the badge to. In our 5th step, we add the badge to our course. And finally, add the criteria for the badge to be awarded. Let's go to our first step, designing the badge. There are 3 different ways for which you can use to design the badge. You can use Canva, which is a website for which you can have a free account and design badges like this. The second way is to search for pre-designed ones on the web. And the third one is to use this link over here for which you can have some flexibility in designing your badge. It is also created by Open Badges. Our second step is to enable course badges in Preferences. On the top right, click on your profile drop-down button and you would see this tab called Preferences. Once you have clicked on it, it should open up the Preferences window and you should be able to see the Badges panel activated. If it's not activated, you might need to click on Activate Badges. Our third step is to enable activity completion in our respective course. In this course, Advances in GIS and Remote Sensing for Environmental Sciences, I click on the top right gear button, click on Edit Settings, scroll to the bottom of the window and you should see the Completion Tracking tab. Click on this tab and switch Enable Completion Tracking to Yes. Next, we add the activity which you want to award a badge to. To do this, click on Edit Settings. Then add the activity or resource to your respective space. This might pop up and we are going to add a forum. Adding a new forum, please name your forum and describe your forum. More importantly, if you scroll down to the bottom, you would see this Activity Completion tab, and I would like you to select this button, Show Activity is complete when conditions are met. Let's zoom in further. Once this is selected, you may select certain items such as student must view this activity to complete, or student must post discussion or replies. It's entirely up to you. Once you have enabled the settings for the activity, please remember to save and return to the module. Next, we're going to add the badge to the course. To do this, click on the top right gear button, go to More, and then click on Add a new badge. We are going to name the badge, provide a short description, and choose a file, which is the image created in step 1. Scroll down to the bottom and click on Create Badge. Our final step is to create a criteria for the badge to be awarded. Once you have created that badge, click on Criteria, then to Activity Completion. Select the criteria. In our example, we're going to select the completion of the forum as the criteria. Finally, click Save. You're done creating the badge. Well done. Now, we're going to see how to assess students' progress from the tutor's view. To do this, click on the gear on the top right, go to More, and then the window that pops up, select the button Manage Badges. Once that's selected, you should see this table. This table shows each row as a badge and the criteria for each of the badges, the number of recipients for each of those badges, and if you wish to see who the recipients are, click on the number in the recipients column. As a student, you can also monitor your own badges that you have obtained. Click on your profile picture, click on Preferences. On the window that pops up, look at Manage Badges. This will bring you to a window to show the badges you have obtained. Here are some ideas on how to use badges. You can award badges for different tasks. For example, posting reply on forums, for completing or scoring above a percentage on quiz, for completing or scoring above a percentage on assignments, and finally for completing the entire course. Thank you.